What's going on, guys? IC Trades here. Today we're going to be doing a price prediction on ticker symbol SMCI by using various technical analysis techniques. On the daily chart, SMCI has been on a downtrend recently, and now, guys, we're seeing a shift in momentum after this consolidation period. Very nice breakout from this consolidation range, and now we are slightly pulling back here. So before we go deeper into the daily, I'm going to take you guys over to the weekly chart to get a broader perspective. Now, guys, taking you to the weekly chart of SMCI. This stock started to see some real movement back in 2023. We saw a rally, some nice consolidation on the weekly, forming a flag and pole-like structure. Breaking out of that very cleanly, guys. You see, this is very unusual to see on a stock just going up, 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 and up. No minor pullbacks, just straight going up, guys. And that's very interesting to see. You don't see that a lot, stock being that strong on the weekly time frame here. And once we saw that parabolic move to the 122.90 level, it followed up with some steep correction, rejecting and respecting this descending resistance we have here, as well as you can see an obvious ascending support level right here. You can mark it up right at this candle right here, touch it a few times, about 7 times, before it flushes all the way really to that 1731 level. And since hitting that bottom, guys, we've been slowly trying to move up, trying to break out here. We touch this descending support once again, get above it for a second, quickly reject it back down, and soon after that we get right back into that ascending support here. As we can see, couple touch points on that as well. We are pressed up right against that descending support, that very major, really year-long trend here, guys. This is really like a year and a few month trend going on here. So definitely a long range, been building up for some time. And as of more recent times, guys, around this August of 2024 to now current May of 2025 time range, we have this strong resistance at 47.85. You can see, guys, price gets or just under that, tries to break out very, very strong resistance, plummets after that, trying to test that resistance for some weeks here, plummets, rallies its way back up, touches that area, plummets once again, and we get above it for some time, but once again we get under it, and now we are retesting that exact area, guys. Earlier in the weekly time frame, when we were in this range, once we got up to that descending support, would get flushed down pretty hard each time. But now, guys, it seems like the story could be changing with the most recent touch point here, so something to keep an eye on. See if it will be able to finally hold above that descending resistance, or if it will reject off that level once again. So now, guys, zoomed out here on the daily chart, we see just how long this descending resistance has lasted and how crucial it is that we're actually right at that point once again. And guys, if we can get above that 47.80 level and hold strongly, we are effectively breaking a year-plus long trend, which would be a game changer for SMCI. I think that would definitely give us a bullish sign here. So, guys, getting a little closer on the daily chart, you can see that 66.44 level, which was the high of recent times, where the stock tried to break above that descending resistance, but it couldn't hold, got rejected pretty hard here. And then it finally found some ascending support, as you can see here, kind of getting in this bear flag type of structure before breaking down once again to that low of 29.33. Now, guys, I want to take you on a closer look of what's really going on as of this recent time in these past few weeks here, guys. We see this breakout candle, this solid wide green bar, breaking right above that 37.73 level very cleanly, and then followed with that was a gap up near that descending resistance. And after we got rejected, guys, we end up with this hammer candle low just at that breakout level, just where that thing broke out. This nice candle broke out. We come right back down there, filling that gap up, following that a slight gap up into some sort of an inverse hammer candle. So, guys, a longer upper wick of this candle shows that bulls try to push this price higher and sellers pushed it back down, but they couldn't break the lows from that previous candle. So it's kind of a testing the waters type of candle. It's a signal that buying pressure is emerging, but not yet dominant. So, guys, on the hourly, we immediately see this descending resistance where price gets touched many times before recently getting above it. You can see it gets touched almost 20 hours. 1, 2, 3. You get the gist. It gets touched a lot. Breaks above it. It looks like prices are trying to hold above that 41.50 support level on the hourly. But as of right now, guys, I think the buyers are definitely in control on the hourly. Just got above that descending resistance, so I can't help but be bullish on the hourly of SMCI. We do have that major hard resistance at 47.80. But if price can continue stair-stepping up to that point, breaking that long-term daily resistance, that major level we've been talking about, then SMCI is very bullish for some time to come, guys. I think that's a very important level. But to sum it all up, guys, SMCI is sitting at a major point across every time frame. The weekly chart shows that we're right back on that long-standing descending resistance, and the daily confirms that we're knocking on the door of a year-long trend line The hourly is showing early signs of strength as bulls try to hold above those key support levels. So keep a close eye on that break above that 4780 level and that descending resistance. And if we break above and hold with good volume, the SMCI could be up for some serious upside. That's all I got for you guys today. If you enjoyed and found value, definitely consider liking and subscribing because we will continue to cover SMCI on the channel as well as other major tickers. Trade smart, guys. I will see you all in the next one.